Hey YouTube, Sam here. This is a video I decided to do just because it's something I've always known and kind of thought it was common knowledge, and then realized my wife and kids have no idea what this means when their blinker light starts flashing like this. And it can usually mean one of two things. You have a bad ground, so the power is just not going where it needs to correctly, or you got a burnout light bulb, which is most likely what your problem is. And as you can see, it's fine on this side, but when I do this side, it's really fast, and hopefully you can hear it, the clicky noise. That is your relay making that noise because it's not sending power the way it wants to. So therefore it'll start flashing really fast like this. And that usually means you have a bulb out on the side that it's happening on. But thought I would just kind of make this little video. I've already done a video on my 02 Buick Rendezvous of removing the back tail light, so I'm not going to do another video. It's pretty easy. I believe it is just these normal old school bulbs that I have lots of. I'm not positive on that, but it's a pretty simple job. I don't think I need to do a full video on. If for some reason y'all want a video out there of this, just give me a holler and I can do it real quick for you. Just leave a comment below. But for this, it's mostly just an informational video. This is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.